What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to remove white border around icons on iPhone after the update. Sometimes after an iOS update, you may notice a white outline around app icons. This can be distracting, but you can fix it easily, and here's how to do it. Firstly, go to your Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility options lets you adjust display, text, and other features for easier viewing. Now, inside Accessibility, tap on Display and Text Size. This menu contains options from bold text, increased contrast, color fillers, and icon borders. Now find the Show Borders toggle, and if it's enabled and green, tap it to turn it off. This will remove the white outline around app icons on your home screen and in apps. Now go back to your home screen and confirm the white borders are gone. If the outline persists, review other display options you may have enabled in previous iOS versions. Now if the problem continues, go to Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset and reset all settings. This won't delete your apps or data, but it will reset system preferences. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.